Hello and welcome to this another video of lesson in Mathematics 10. So this time our topic is recursive form of sequence. So what is a recursive form of sequence? So recursive form of a sequence is a sequence if the first term and a recursive formula are given. A recursive formula is an expression used to determine the nth term of the sequence by using the term that precedes it. Meaning, makukuha natin yung nth term na gusto natin gamit ang term na sinusundan nito. Okay. Example, write the recursive formula for the sequence 5, 9, 13, 17. Then, determine the next two terms. So, our solution starts with the second term, which is equal to 5 plus 4 equals 9. So, it also means that a sub 2, or the second term, is equal to the first term, which is 5 plus 4. Okay, so third term is equal to 9 plus 4 equals 13. So our third term is 13. So our third term is equal to the second term plus 4. And then the fourth term is 13 plus 4 equals 17. So this is our fourth term. So it is also written as a sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus 4. So we have now a pattern. Okay? So ano ang relationship ng 4 dito sa 3? Ng 3 dito sa 2? Ng 2 dito sa 1? Ano yung ginawa natin para makuha yung 1? Anong ginawa natin para makuha yung 2 from 3? Okay, so from the pattern, the recursive formula can be written as a sub n is equal to n minus 1 plus 4. So, why n minus 1? Because as we progress with our n, it is preceded by its term, and the relationship between that term is to subtract 1 to get its preceded term. Okay, so for example dito, 4, mag n minus 1 tayo, kaya siya nagiging 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Dito, 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the next two terms are 21 and 25. So meaning, 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Okay? So, let's have some drill. Okay, so let's start answering question number 5. So, we have negative 3, negative 6, negative 12, negative 24, and negative 48. So we have our first term. Okay, so second term, a sub 2 is equal to negative 3 minus 3. This is equal to negative 6, or just simply equal to a sub 2 is equal to twice our a sub 1. Now our a sub 3. So we have negative 6 is equal to minus 6 is equal to negative 12. So this is our third term, negative 12. This is also simply as third term is equal to twice the second term. Now, proceed with the fourth term. The fourth term must be negative 24. So, we will use third term. Negative 12 minus 12 is equal to negative 24. And this is just the same as twice our third term. And our fifth term is negative 24 minus negative 24 is equal to negative 48. And negative 48 is just twice the 24. So our fifth term is twice the fourth term. So therefore, our recursive formula for this sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1. So n minus 1 is the preceding term of n. So ito yung term bago maging n. So this is the preceding term. Ano yung constant sa kanila? Ano yung common? 2. So lagyan na natin dito na 2. So this becomes our recursive formula for the sequence negative 3, negative 6, negative 12, negative 24, and negative 48. Now let's proceed with problem number 6. So let us clear everything. So problem number 6. So we have a sub 2 is equal to 37. So what will you do to make 37 at 67? So we will just add 30 and this becomes 67. Okay, or we can rewrite this one as a sub 2 is equal to the first term, a sub 1 plus 30. Okay, so let's continue the third term. We have 67 plus, if we are going to add 30, do we get 97? And our third term is 97. So we can simply say that our third term is just the second term plus 30. For the fourth term, so the fourth term, so we have 97 plus 30. Is it equal to 127? Okay, so 127 is the fourth term. This one. So this is also the same as our third term plus 30. Okay, now for the fifth term, we have 127 plus 30 equals 157. And this is the fifth term of our sequence. Or we can say that the fifth term is equal to the fourth term plus 30. Okay? So, yung recursive formula is nagsasabi na makukuha natin ang nth term kapag meron tayong preceding term. So, this one, our nth term for this sequence is given by plus 30. Okay? So, the nth term for this sequence is the preceding term a sub n minus 1 plus 30. Okay, so that is for problem number 6. Now, for problem number 7, so I will leave it to you as an exercise. Okay, so proceed tayo with problem number 8. So let me clear this one. So problem number 8, so we have negative, we have the second term is minus 1 times negative 6. So in this case, we cannot find a number, fixed number, that if we are going to add, will give 6 and then double up. So we can try another technique or method or solution. Okay, so this is positive 6. Okay, next, the third term. Third term is 6 times negative 6. So we have negative 36. So the third term is negative 36. And a sub 4, or the fourth term, is negative 36 times negative 6. And the answer is positive 216. Okay, so by this we have a pattern. So this we can say that the second term is the first term times negative 6. And for the third term, this is just the second term times the negative 6. And for the fourth term, this is the third term times negative 6. Okay, so we have established a pattern. So what will be the answer? So our nth term is just equal to our preceding term times negative 6, or we can rewrite this one as negative 6 a sub n minus 1. Okay, so our fifth term, what will be our fifth term? So if we are going to multiply 216 by negative 6, we will get 1296. So bahala na kayo mag-solve sa fifth term and then the sixth term. Okay, so let's continue. So we have here another problem. So write the recursive form of the sequence 3, 5, 9, 17, 33. Okay, so this one, we are trying to find a number that can be added to the first term, and we'll apply the same to get the third term and the next terms. So this is another problem with another method to solve. So let us try to find the second term. So the second term is something to do with the first term. So ano yung first term natin? 3. So ano yung gagawin natin to get 5? So mag-a-add tayo ng 2. So this is 5. Next, third term, 5. Mag-a-add tayo ng 4 para magiging 9. Then, fourth term, we have 9. Mag-a-add tayo ng 8 para magiging 17. Okay, so wala tayong na-establish na pattern basing sa ating ina-add. Okay, nagta-times 2 lang. So, mahirapan tayo na hanapin yung first term. So, let's have another technique or another solution for this one. Okay, so let's try this one. A sub 2 is just equal to 3 plus 3 minus 1. So this is equal to 5. Okay, next we have 5. How to get 9? So we add 5 minus 1. This is equal to 9. And then for the fourth term, we have 9 plus 9 minus 1 equals 17. Okay, so we have established a pattern. So 3, 5, 9. Then, ito, nagkakaroon tayo ng consistent na sinasubtract. So we can say that this second term can be written as twice the first term minus 1. Right? Kasi dalawang 3. So, dalawang first term. And then, we have A sub 3 is equal to itong dalawang 5. Meron tayong dalawang second term minus 1. And then, for the fourth term, kakaroon tayo ng dalawang third term. So, 2 times A sub 3 minus 1. So, what will be our fifth term? So, the fifth term must be 2 times fourth term, twice the fourth term, minus 1. So, what will be our nth term? So, the nth term becomes twice the preceding term, which is n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is now our recursive form of the sequence. So that's it for today, and see you in the next lesson.